Good morning, students. Today is 1st of February and today school is starting a quiz for you all. For that, for participating in that quiz, you have to like the Facebook and Instagram page of St. Mary. Link has been already shared to your WhatsApp group. So do like it and do participate in that quiz. Quiz timing is 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. You have to write the correct answer in comment box. The student who will give most of the correct answer will definitely get a prize from the school. Chapter 15. Exercise 15.1 I have already explained you. Now I am starting exercise 15.2. In this exercise you have to find the median. First part is 7, 6, 5, 8, 12, 15, 4, 8, 10 and 12. For finding median, what you need to do, you need to arrange these numbers in ascending order. First you have to arrange these given numbers in ascending order. It means आपको increasing order में ये number लिखने हैं. First of all, you have to write the smallest number. Then, in increasing order, you have to write the number. So, we will write these number in ascending order, increasing order. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is coming 2 times. So, we will write 8 2 times. 10, 12, 12 is 2 times. And in the last, we will write 15. First of all, count the number of terms. Number of terms. It means how many numbers are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many terms are there? 10. 10 is an even number. Number of terms are 10. Which is an even number? Which is an even number? जब n आपका even number में आएगा, formula of finding median is मीडियन का फॉर्मूला होता है जब n इवन होगा तो ऑड में अलग फॉर्मूला होता है, इवन में अलग फॉर्मूला होता है. 1/2 विद इन ब्रैकेट n/2x टर्म प्लस n/2 प्लस 1x टर्म. n/2 ऐसे लिखेंगे. n कितना है? 1/2 ऐसे लिख देंगे. n is how much? n is 10. 10/2 how much? 5. It means fifth term. Is it okay? Plus n/2 कितना हुआ? 10/2 5. 5 and 1 6. So we will write 6 term. 6 term. 1/2 ऐसे लिख दीजिए. फिफ्थ टर्म देखिए, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखने के बाद फिफ्थ नंबर पे कौन सा टर्म आ रहा है? 1 2 3 4 5 8 आ रहा है और 6 पे कौन सा आ रहा है? 8 आ रहा है. फिफ्थ टर्म की जगह पे विल राइट 8 एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ सिक्स्थ टर्म विल राइट 8. 8 and 8 16/2. 2 1 जा 2 8. It means median is 8. Is it okay? Just go through it. Now I am explaining you B part. In B part, here I am explaining you B part. B part में सबसे पहले again for finding median, what we need to do first, we have to arrange the numbers observation given in ascending order. जो भी numbers दिए हैं उन्हें ascending order में लिखेंगे. I am writing 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 15, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 40. How many terms are there? Count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. N is what? 11. And 11 is an odd number. Which is an odd number. Is it visible? Is it visible? और नंबर जब दिया होता है n इवन जब होता है तो ये फॉर्मूला लगेगा. When n is odd, then the formula of finding median is very easy. n plus 1 upon 2th term. n is how much? 11. We will write 11 plus 1 upon 2th term. 11 and 1 कितना हो गया? 12. 12 upon 2 means 6th term. It means your answer will be 6th term. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th term is 15. आपका मीडियन आया 6th term and 6th term कौन सा है? 15. तो मीडियन आपका हो जाएगा 15. Is it okay? Just go through it. These are the two formulas of finding median. First, you have to write the numbers in ascending order. Then you have to count total number of terms. If total number of terms are even, then you have to use this formula. If total number of terms are odd, then you have to use this formula. In this way, you can easily find out the median of the given numbers. Is it okay? Note it down. Now I am explaining you second question. Okay, second question I am explaining you. See, in the second question, what you need to do, you have to find the mode and median. Again, what we need to do first? First we will write the given numbers in ascending order. 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19 and 20 is given how many times? 4 times. So we will write 20 4 times. 23, 24, 25 and 25. First you have to find the mode. Mode क्या होता है? Mode is the most frequent number or most frequent observation. Since mode is the most frequent number. Most frequent means जो सबसे ज्यादा टाइम्स आ रहा है. In this question 20 is coming 4 times. Therefore mode of this question is 20. Is it okay? Now you have to find the median. For finding median, you have to count the number of terms. N. How? What is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. N is what? 15. And 15 is an odd number. So formula of finding median is n plus 1 upon 2th term. N is what? 15. 15 plus 1 upon 2th term. 15 and 1 will become 16. 16 upon 2 हो गया 8 term. 8 टर्म इसमें देखिए कौन सा है? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ही टर्म देखना है. इसलिए फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. In ascending order, 8th term is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th. 8th term is 20. In this question, one question is more. It is given that mode और median दोनों same है या नहीं? Same है. Mode is also 20. Median is also 20. So yes, mode and median both are same. Is it okay? That's all for today. Thank you.